Simplify the following expression. We have secant x sine x over tangent x. Usually when you see these guys, the first thing you want to do is write them out in their purest sine cosine form. So secant is 1 over cosine, so let me write that out. Sine is just regular sine, so nothing happens there. Tangent is sine x over cosine x. All right, so what can I do? Well, I have a fraction over a fraction. So what happens here is if I wanted to combine these, I would get sine x over cosine x. So this is me just taking one extra step. And wait a minute. Sine x over cos x over sine x over cos x. Last time I checked, something divided by itself is 1. Isn't that interesting?